Hey guys, I'm Lina and today we are going to solve the class 10 CBSE sample question paper for term 1 2021 to 22. So for this term the whole question paper will be MCQ format and it is divided into 4 sections. In this video we will be solving the first 2 sections, which is comprehension and expression écrite, and the rest of the paper will be solved in the next video. So let's start with the first question, which is a comprehension, which I'm not reading right now, but in case you have any doubt from the comprehension, you can comment it down below. Starting with the first question, which says, dans l'image, on voit un article, un texte publicitaire, une annonce classée. So here is the image they are referring to. So obviously it's not an article. So this is a text publicitaire because your annonce classée will never be such fancy and attractive. They will be simply text. So this is an advertising text. Après le bac, Maxime dash ses études, abandonner, continuer, évaluer. So after the baccalaureate, Maxime abandoned his studies, continued his studies, or assessed his studies. So in this particular line, you will find the answer. It says, mais il passe son baccalauréat et étudie avec succès dans une école de commerce. So it says that after his baccalaureate, he studied in a business school. That means he continued with his studies. So option B. Moving on to the third question. Quand Maxime devient directeur, il dash tout le temps. When Maxime became a director, he voyaged, traveled, navigue, sailed, or travaille, worked. So the answer is here. Maxime travaille très dur, which means Maxime worked very hard. See, he did not travel or sail. He did not have the time to do that. So, il travaille tout le temps. Fourth question. Vivre à quatre sur le bateau, c'était facile dès le début, un peu difficile au début, très amusant dès le premier jour. So, to live in a boat, it is easy in the beginning, a bit difficult in the beginning, or fun in the beginning. So answer is over here. Now, there are chances that some of you might go wrong here. The very important portion here is n'était pas toujours facile, which is not always easy. Et le premier mois, il y avait souvent de disputes. So here it's saying that for 4 people to live in such a small space, it is not always easy. And the first months, there are always disputes. There are often disputes among the people. So the answer is un peu difficile au début. Since here it says in the first months, there are often arguments among the people. So B is the correct option. Fifth one, quand Maxime tombe malade, il dash, arrête de travailler, travaille tout le temps, travaille avec sa famille. When Maxime fell sick, he stopped working, worked all the time, or worked with his family. So here it says the doctor asked him to change his life, so he decided to go on a vacation on a boat. So that means he stopped working. So arrête de travailler. Sixth one, Amandine dash l'idée de partir un bateau pour un an. So Amandine a apprécié, liked the idea, a donné, she gave the idea, or n'a pas beaucoup aimé, did not like the idea much. So here, since it's a hésité, that means she hesitated with the idea. That means she did not like the idea much. So n'a pas beaucoup aimé. She did not like the idea of going in a boat for a year. Seventh question. C'est Dash qui apprend à lire aux enfants. So Katie, it is given somewhere here, Mark et Katie on 2 heures. So they have a class, that means they know how to read and write and all. So that were the first 7 questions. Next, following are easy, I suppose, of verb à l'infinitif, so simple naviguer. So the next question might be a bit confusing. Seulement is not the answer, it's not an adjective, it means only. Now here we have merveilleux and bien. Bien is not the answer, it's be. Bien is an adverb and bon is the adjective. This is an adverb and bon is the adjective. So in case If it was bon, then bon could have been a correct answer, but bien is an adverb. So the correct answer is B. Un nom, we have voyage. Un adverb, again now it's bien. Hope that was clear. Moving on. Mireille finit son devoir dash elle sort jouer avec ses amis. Mireille finished her homework and then she went to play with her friends. So puis, then. Next one. Les gens d'aujourd'hui n'aiment pas faire de la voyage, mais au lecture. Now here, B you can totally eliminate. Mer means the sea, so they do not like to do the sea. Doesn't make sense, right? The children of these times or the young people these days do not like to travel or read. Here it's read and here it's travel. Now if you see your A and C both are sensible options. B is totally eliminated. But now to select the correct one, you need to look over here. The la. It says the la. Now out of which of these does the noun is feminine? Voyage, it is actually le voyage, whereas it is la lecture. So the la will go with C. So C is the correct answer. Hope that is clear. And we move on to the 14th question. Comme il y a trop de travail, Naomi rentre du bureau très dur tout le temps au travail. So since there's a lot of work, Naomi returns home late. Next we have the section 2, which is your expression écrite. Compléter l'histoire. We have to complete the story. First one. Aujourd'hui, c'est le dash de ma sœur. Aujourd'hui, c'est l'anniversaire de ma sœur, le mariage or le naissance. So, if you see somehow, some of the other way seems to be making sense. But why is only mariage the correct answer? Because if it was anniversaire, this over here should have been like this with an apostrophe. La naissance, it's actually la naissance. It means birth. If you further read the passage, you will know that C doesn't make sense. But in case, it still doesn't fit because C, le. And naissance is feminine, so it cannot be C. So the answer is, aujourd'hui, c'est le mariage de ma sœur. Today, it's my sister's wedding. Mes parents sont très contents. My parents are very happy. Nous allons à l'église de très bonne heure. The others don't make sense over here because it says we are going to the church very early. They won't go late for their wedding. So it's B, bonne. Next one. La dash est très belle. La pièce, la soirée, la cérémonie. Now here again, PS means play, so we are not talking about a play here. Soirée is the evening. We just said that they went to the church very early, at a very early hour. So, again, it cannot be B. And so, finally, we have the last option, which is C, cérémonie. La cérémonie est très belle. Tout se passe bien. Ma sœur Monique porte une belle robe blanche. Nous sommes très heureux parce que dash la famille est présente. Toute la famille. The whole family was present. Ma tante Claire, qui a 60 ans, danse dash une jeune fille. My aunt Claire, who is 60 years old, danced like a young girl, comme une jeune fille. For a young girl or since a young girl doesn't make sense. So like a young girl. Mes grands-parents se disputent comme toujours. So my grandparents were arguing like usual. Now, if you don't know why is it toujours, if you read further, it will be much more clear. Mon grand-père veut boire du champagne et ma grand-mère le grand car il ne boit pas d'alcool. So here it says my grandfather wanted to drink champagne, but my grandmother scolded him because he is not allowed to drink alcohol. That is why here it is toujours. They are arguing as always. Après l'occasion, le couple part faire un voyage de noces. So after the occasion, the couple went for a honeymoon. So faire un voyage. Next is a message that we have to complete. Chers amis, j'ai une mauvaise nouvelle à vous. Answer is annoncer. Conseil means to consult, to advise, and comprendre is to understand. So here we are referring to that I have to tell you a bad news. So annoncer is the most specific answer. Avant-hier, Mark est allé faire de l'équitation. The day before yesterday, Mark went for horse riding. L'équitation is horse riding. Il est tombé et s'est cassé une jambe. He fell and broke his leg. Heureusement, il était dash des amis. Luckily, he was for two friends, before two friends, avec des amis. He was with two friends. Sorry, the about means at first, not before. Ils l'ont dash à l'hôpital et il a été bien dash. Ils l'ont conduit. Here is the correct answer now. They took him. Conduit means to drive, but yeah, it basically means that they took him to the hospital. Now, après is eliminated. Why? Because après means to learn. So it doesn't make sense over here. Why not aller? That is because here, if you see, we are using the verb avoir. But with aller, we have to use the verb être. That is why conduit is the correct answer. Et il a été bien soigné. He was well treated there. Mais il doit rester immobile pendant 15 jours. He needs to stay, like he needs bed rest, or he should not move for 15 days. Et après, il va marcher difficilement pendant 2 mois. And after that, with a little bit of difficulty, he can walk. For 2 months, he will have a bit difficulty in walking. Il va dash d'ici 2 mois pour préparer son examen. Il va profiter. He's not going to eat the 2 months or think the 2 months, or know the 2 months. He's going to benefit from the 2 months by studying for his exams. Nous ne pourrons pas venir chez vous les week-ends. We cannot visit you this weekend, but mais nous espérons venir vous voir, but we hope to see you avant la fin de l'été. But we hope to visit you before the end of summer. Excusez-nous, à bientôt, Maxime. That were all the questions for the 2 sections that we're going to cover in this video. I hope that these questions were clear and I tried my best to explain each one of them as best as possible. But in case if you still have any doubts in any of the questions, feel free to comment them down below. And wait for the next video where we'll solve the rest of the paper. And I hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to hit the like button, share this video, and subscribe to my channel, and click the notification bell so that you get notified every time I'm on YouTube. For notes, question papers, worksheets, and more, you can check out my website studywithalina.com. Link is in the description. Even you can send me your French resources at studywithalina@gmail.com, and you will be credited on my website. I also have a second channel where I put vlogs and other fun stuff, so if you want to check that out, link is in the description. I'll see you in my next one. Till then, take care and bye-bye.